fruitful deliberations that have taken place during the last few days. I am to thank this ICR particular and also to the G. Pant University for having invited me to this environmental workshop, and I feel that I have been also very greatly benefited by listening to some deliberations which are cross-fertilizing, of course.
If you compare the potential of US varieties, of course there are different issues, there are different topographic, climatic conditions, their cropping duration would have been little more than what ours is. But then there is greater scope to improve the national productivity of ours.
There is a big challenge for the agronomist, because seed is the base of life. After the development of the varieties and hybrids, now it is the turn of the agronomist as a manager for the sustainability of the production, for the sustainability of the availability of the food, fodder, feed and industrial requirement.
During these 3 days, we have been associated with almost all the sessions, and especially our respective plant protection session, for instance, are connected with that. So we have seen and tried to suggest certain change which are relevant to the present diseases, particularly location specific diseases, breeding of course, both conventional as well as modern with modern tools.
They have been responsible increasing the milk production in the country, and setting these targets are nothing before you. Thanks very much to the ICR inviting me, but my colleagues we will be preparing one report page, submit to the ICR.
We have received almost 31 proposals or entries of different maturity and seasons in the VIC, and the proposals includes 1 of late maturity, 4 of medium maturity, 3 of popcorn for Rabi season. And during the Kharif season proposals, we have received 5 entries for late maturity, 4 entries for medium maturity, and 1 for early maturity, 2 for OPV, 3 for sweet corn, and the 2 for baby corn, 3 for quality protein maize, and the 2 for IDV. So these are the 31 entries we have received, and I am very happy to say, and I congratulate all the breeders who devoted their significant times in developing these varieties.
From the beginning, we just started with presentation of each stations, and I found that all the centers you are contributing very much, particularly towards varietal development, that is for crossing, hybridization, development of single cross like that. But the thing is that few centers are only doing good publications, and also they have already started molecular breeding. So I request everybody, you have to think ahead. Our target is more now. We have already given the target of 45 plus. So please also you everybody think that.
So it's a maize workshop Makkah, and it's in Medina, which is Pantnagar. So it's a Makkah Medina, right? So it's a very, very important day. Maize workshop at Pantnagar is like Makkah Medina. So holy place. Also, it's an important day, and I really would like to congratulate everyone based on the outputs. And I feel like that's the highest number in the history. Congratulations to the council, to all of you. But that has happened with all the investment in human resource development, in research. But also another special day. Today is birthday of Ambedkar ji, the father of Constitution, and the Constitution took us there.
I am really thankful to all the scientists. I will always remember this love and affection given by all of you. Thank you very much.
It is my prime duty to propose vote of thanks to all those persons who are directly or indirectly involved in the successful organization of 66th Annual Maize Workshop or All India Coordinated Research Project on Maize.